Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 8 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently lift up to unplug the battery cable from the motherboard. Unplug the fan from the motherboard. And remove 2 3mm screws from the fan. Replace the fan. And replace the 2 3mm screws. Plug the fan back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 8 captive screws in the bottom cover.